Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to set up open to work in LinkedIn profile. It's very simple tips and tricks. How to do it? Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open your LinkedIn account. So this is my LinkedIn account and I want add here open to work the logo or spelling like in a green color. So how to do it? It's very easy. This is my profile and here one of the word is available, open to. It means open to work. If you click here, so look at this, finding a new job, hiring and provider services. So we can click here, finding a new job, and you need to put it here the specific title, which title you want looking a job. So I just simply type here data scientist, here on-site or hybrid or remote. So you can select three of them and then provide as a specific location of the job description. So I can provide here the specific location of Copenhagen, Denmark, or you can add here multiple countries or location also. It's no matter like this. I added here three different location. After that, here location for the remote, you can add here location for the remote also, the multiple location, absolutely fine. Start date, immediately I am actively apply or flexible, I am curiously looking. So you can select one of them, which one you want. Look at this, we can go here if you are looking rigorously, so immediately. Employment type, part-time, full-time, contract, internship. So if you want looking everything, so you can just simply select one of them, all of them, otherwise one, it's okay. Recruiter only or all LinkedIn members. So here if you click here recruiter only, so here the green open to work option is not coming. So we can just simply select here all LinkedIn member can see my profile and I am ready to open. If you click here, so now start the post. If you want put it this post, so you can add this one, otherwise no thanks, I'm not adding this post as my profile. If you click here, so this post is display on your profile, I can go with refresh, no thanks. And then after look at this here is my profile. It's easy to add open to work on LinkedIn profile. It's easy. If you want delete this one, it's very easy. You click here and delete and boom. After that you refresh here, so the spelling is gone. It's easy and very simple tips and tricks.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.